Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, a technique I learned from BJ Dyer from Bouquets in Denver, Colorado. Hanging callas, perfect for a strong statement for an outdoor wedding in a garden, hanging from the trees. So simple. Taking your calla, cutting off about 1/2 inch, but don't go all the way through. Get to the edge and then tear it down, pulling just till you get to the top. Then you use this portion to tie it directly to the branch. That extra little end that you left at the beginning, that keeps it from sliding through. So you don't have to actually tie a knot. You can just hook it right in place. Isn't it fun? Isn't it easy? Thanks to BJ for this week's tip.